Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon. Today we're diving into the details of Bybit Trading Fees. If you're looking to understand how these fees work and how to minimize them, then this video is for you. Make sure to stick around till the end to get all the details and use the referral code 825000 to start trading on Bybit. So, what exactly are Bybit Trading Fees? Understanding the fee structure is crucial for managing your trading costs effectively. Bybit offers various trading products, including spot trading, derivatives, and options trading, each with its own fee structure. Let's start with spot trading fees. 1. Maker fees. These are fees charged to traders who provide liquidity to the market by placing limit orders. The standard maker fee rate on Bybit is 0.02%. 2. Taker fees. These are fees charged to traders who take liquidity off the market by placing market orders. The standard taker fee rate on Bybit is 0.055%. Here's a quick example. If you place a market order to buy 1 BTC at $50,000, the taker fee would be calculated as follows. Next, let's look at perpetual and futures trading fees. These fees are slightly different due to the nature of these trading products. 1. Maker fees. Similar to spot trading, maker fees for perpetual and futures contracts are 0.02%. 2. Taker fees. The taker fee for these contracts is also 0.055%. For example, if you execute a perpetual contract for 1 BTC at an execution price of $50,000, the taker fee would be Additionally, there are settlement fees for futures contracts, which are charged when the contract reaches its expiration date and the position is automatically closed. The settlement fee rate is 0.05%. Bybit also offers options trading. The fee structure for options is straightforward. 1. Maker fees, 0.02%. 2. Taker fees, 0.055%. For example, if you buy 10 BTC worth of BTC perp contracts using a market order at $50,000 each, the taker fee would be Bybit offers a VIP program that provides fee discounts based on your trading volume and asset balance. The higher your VIP level, the lower your trading fees. This is a great way to save on costs, especially if you're a high-volume trader. Here's how it works. VIP 1 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of $10 million or asset balance of 50 BTC. VIP 2 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of $50 million or asset balance of 200 BTC. VIP 3 requires a minimum 30-day trading volume of $150 million or asset balance of 500 BTC. Each VIP level offers progressively lower trading fees. There are a few other fees to be aware of. 1. Withdrawal fees. These vary by cryptocurrency but are typically quite low. For example, the BTC withdrawal fee is 0.05 BTC. 2. Funding fees. These are periodic payments made to balance the differences between perpetual contract prices and spot prices. They can be either positive or negative, depending on market conditions. 3. Liquidation fees. In the event of liquidation, a fee is charged based on the remaining margin and position size. Here are some tips to help you manage and minimize your trading fees on Bybit. 1. Use limit orders. By placing limit orders, you can benefit from the lower maker fees. 2. Upgrade your VIP level. Trade more and hold larger balances to move up the VIP tiers and enjoy lower fees. 3. Stay informed. Regularly check Bybit's fee structure and stay updated on any changes or promotions that could benefit you. To sum up, understanding Bybit's trading fees can help you manage your costs effectively and maximize your profits. Don't forget to use the referral code 825000 to get started with Bybit and enjoy exclusive benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more crypto tips and updates. So, What are you waiting for? Head over to Bybit, sign up using the referral code 825000 and start trading today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.